Hello guys, today we are going to crochet a very simple round base with double crochet, and it's not with tapestry crochet, but this is also a very useful round base. I am going to use cotton yarn and this hook, 1.5 mm hook, but you can use different kind of yarns for this. For this base, the beginning of the beginning of the row will not overlap with the end of it, as it usually happens in tapestry crochet. Okay, so let's just start. Let's make a magic circle, and now let's make 3 chains. Now double crochet, insert, and so now in total we need 13 double crochet. Okay, done. And now let's just pull the line here, and we will see that this is the first round. We are just going to insert the hook at the first chain. Insert, yarn under, and pull, and then pull again. Okay, so this is the base row, I will say. Now we're going to do 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and now we are just going to do 1 double crochet in the same stitch where we have the 3 chains. Okay, next stitch we are going to do 2 double crochet. So in all the stitches now we are just going to do 2 double crochet. One, we are just going to insert the hook at the last chain that we did here. Insert and yarn under and pull through, and then pull through again. Okay, so this is the second round. So now we are going to do the third round. So 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. The same stitch where we did the chains, we are going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, now at the next stitch we are going to do 1 double crochet. The next stitch we are going to do 2 double crochet. And so on. Next 1 double crochet, and the next stitch 2 double crochet. So just keep working in this order, okay? So now on the last one we are just going to insert the hook at the third chain, yarn under and pull through and then pull through again. So now we're going to do round number 4. Round number 4, if you see here, and the beginning with the end, they don't overlap. Okay, and round number 4, 3 chains, and then again 1 double crochet in the same stitch where we have the chains. Now we are going to do in the next 2 stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet on each. And the third stitch we are going to do 2 double crochet. And again the next 2 stitches 1 double crochet on each. And the third one we are going to do 2 double crochet in the stitch. So we are just going to work like this, okay? Okay, so the last one we are just going to insert the hook at the third chain and yarn under and pull through again. Okay, this is round number 4. Okay, round number 5, make 3 chains, at the same chain 1 double crochet, at the same stitch 1 double crochet, and now at the next 3 stitches we have 1 double crochet on each. At the 4th stitch we have 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. So at the next 3 stitches 1 double crochet on each. At the 4th one, 2 double crochet. And just keep working in this order. So insert the hook at the 3rd chain, yarn under, pull through and pull through again. Okay, so this is the 5th round. Try to work it a little bit looser, and the next one, the next round is going to be 3 chains, and then for the next 4 stitches we will have 1 double crochet on each, and the 5th stitch we will have 2 double crochet in that 5th stitch. Okay, so this is useful for different kind of bags. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.